Hello, I'm Lloyd Coleman, and this is my final project. For my first, I have a picture of me in my intro. My second is my biography. The purpose of a biography is to educate others about yourself and for them to get to know who you are as a person. Now, my biography link. My third is my name tint. I created a name tint for others to learn my name and recognize my face. We use the name tint in classes away from Ms. Debbie to take attendance. My fourth is goal and objective. A goal is a broad statement of an outcome. An objective is a specific statement that can be observed and measured. This is important because goals and objectives can be used in the classroom to determine how well students progress. And my fifth, I have my Assure Inspiration Map, which I did with my classmate Joe Porsche. My sixth is my Poplet. I use my Poplet to gather information about myself. In my Poplet, I use pictures of myself, my family and friends, my hometown, and hobbies and interests. Poplet can be used while studying multiple topics in a class, and I have my Poplet link below. My Symbaloo and Diigo. I will use Symbaloo and Diigo to mark my favorite websites such as ESPN and Twitter, and I have my Symbaloo link below. Number 8, Inspiration Map, a publisher brochure. Inspiration organizes your information into a web-like concept map that is easy to read and navigate, and I have my brochure link below. Publisher brochure. I really enjoy Publisher in creating my brochure. I will use Publisher to create more brochures in the future as it have many themes and you can organize and separate topics in a neat fashion. And I have my brochure link below when I did Monaco and travel on Monaco. My mobile app. The mobile app that I review was Anchor app. What I like about Anchor app is that you can record podcasts and voice memos. I can use Anchor in the future to make my podcasts for my engineering class projects. I also enjoy LiveBinder app where I can organize all of my documents and information in one place. Next, I have my Blogger. I will use my Blogger in the future to blog about summer memories. I can add pictures of my friends and family to capture many of the great moments. And link below, I have my New England Patriots blog. My iMovie. I worked in class with Dennis and Joseph. We decided on the topic by thinking of a place no one else would go on campus. We made the movie using our cell phones and used iMovie to edit and add music to our project. We presented the iMovie in class, and link below I have my iMovie, which is posted on YouTube. The Facebook class page, we used the Facebook class to post about our final presentation topics. The Facebook page was a great idea for all of us to share information in one place. Number 15, I have my Vocaroo and QR codes. I will use Vocaroo in the future to record myself over class assignments such as PowerPoint that I may have to send to my professors. I can use QR codes or interactive projects. Number 16 is my final project, and I have my final project link below on how to bake a cake, in which I presented that in class also. Number 17 is my Padlet, and it is one of my favorite applications that we use in this class. I like how neatly it organizes the text. I enjoyed it for the portfolio because it was simple to navigate and add photos and links. Number 18 is my Screencast-O-Matic. I never used Screencast before, so I enjoyed this app. Very interesting. It is very interesting and fun to use. I will surely be using Screencast-O-Matic again to narrate my future class projects. And my final thoughts on this class. This class was very different from the classes I normally take. It was much more relaxing and laid back. It exposed me to many more web-based programs. I would improve some of the technology that was not working on certain days. After this class, I plan on continuing to work on my degree at LSU, graduating in 2021. I plan to get a job this summer and attend summer school. And this is my final project.